Hi, this is Kathy, and I wanted to um, address the comment on my January 21st video that everything that I quote unquote expected did the exact opposite. Okay, first of all, in the beginning of the video, my emphasis was on that the scion pattern, and this is the chart from that day at that time of the video. That the scion pattern was going into retracement mode. If you know me, which you evidently don't, or you understand harmonics, I believe that harmonics dream of retracing 100%. So when I make a comment that it's in retracement mode, I'm looking for retracement targets, which are going to be each one of these brown ones, and emphasis at the 190750. That's why I call it a significant level. Okay? Now, the next part of the video was I was saying, hold on. Okay, so let's go over setting up for a new harmonic rotation, and so how much price pulls back is going to be key. Harmonically speaking, I'd like to see. Okay, so I'm saying how much it pulls back is going to be important for this to be a valid triangle point, okay? And so during Globek, and that's why I don't color it in, is because it's not valid yet. It's got to, harmonically speaking, it needs to pull back at least 38.2%. An understanding of harmonics would give that knowledge. So, you know, I say in the video, because I like to be prepared for what if price takes out this level. And so I make reference to if price takes out, if it gets below 1804.25, then I'm going to be looking for these downside targets. That doesn't mean I'm expecting it to do that. I'm just saying, what I mean is, if it's got enough oomph to take out 1804.25, which I consider a line in the sand or a significant level, then I have targets that I am seeking. Okay, so after Globex, this did not pull back 38.2%, so the next morning I did an updated chart, okay? So I moved the triangle point from down here at 1869.25 up to the 1876 because it pulled back at least 38.2%, so that gives me a valid triangle point that I look at as the beginning of a harmonic rotation. What this means is if price can get above this point of the triangle, each point of the triangle is a significant level to me. If it can get above there, my ideal target is going to be around 1935.50. But any zone level, colored level, or something that I have marked in there, I'm going to consider that a potential rejection point or a place to take a scale. So my significant level of 1907.5 is a potential. Every significant level I consider significant. I also consider, or a scaling point, I consider a potential rejection point, and it can be a barrier of reaching my ideal target. I have ideal targets. I don't say it's going to get there. I have learned the hard way, never expect the markets to do what I think it should do. So I let price action tell me the higher probability. Okay, so for me, once price held above the 1876, as I stated in this one, okay, it turns into a butterfly scenario for the brown pattern, then I'm looking for that target up there. If price takes out this point of the blue triangle, then I'm going to be looking for these lower targets, okay? And magnet targets are 1907.50. Yeah, I see. I was looking for 1907.50. So my video on the 21st, I still had significant level of 1907.50. It just went a little bit of a different route to get there. Because if you look at the current chart, as of Friday close, we're almost at the 1907.50, and it took out this point of the triangle. It hem-hawed around it, but until there was conviction, once there was conviction to hold above that triangle point, the probability is that it's going to test the upper portion of the point, triangle point. Okay, I hope that helps. it it really bothers me that you really didn't understand what I was trying to say. So sorry about that.